So even we have decorated the house on this special day of 22nd January, on the day of Lord Rama's.
Rama, Rama,
See, even this house has put on
candles.
candles. So now we are heading towards the temple again to see the night vibe, to have a night vibe check. And it's very cold. So we're just gonna go to the temple. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. This person needs to clean his car.
This person needs to
Clean his car.
move his car.
Move his car. So basically, I was born in this neighborhood, right? I have lived all my life in this locality.
Yeah.
Whereas my elder sister, she lived
In South Delhi.
in South Delhi.
Born and brought up.
Born and brought up, but born.
A bit of my life.
Yeah, but I am. So this part is called East Delhi, right? But this has been my home forever. Like these people cannot say that this is their home, but I can.
Yeah. We are the South Delhi people.
Kaha? See, people have also put lights. Check that out. पहले मंदिर ही चलते हैं.
वाह 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 वाह, क्या वाइब है.
Put our slippers.
ये जो खड़े हैं वो बंदा नीचे बैठ जाएं सभी. हेलो.
So even now, Bhandara is being prepared. throughout the day people are cooking food for the devotees. जा श्रुति अंदर जा। हाँ यार, वाह वाह, मेरे साथ भी शेयर कर दिए। शेयर
सब शेयर कर दो।
So this was the night celebration at Hanuman Temple for Ram Ji. Jai Shri Ram. See, you can see the diyas being lit up.
यार कितना कूल नहीं हो कि ऐसे दिवाली, जन्माष्टमी, होली उस पर भी ऐसे ये भजन हो
होते हैं, होते होंगे हाँ
मंदिर में।
हाँ जी, मेरे ख्याल से
मतलब ऐसे होना चाहिए कि दिवाली के टाइम से एक हफ्ता पहले वही जो सारे दिन होते हैं। ले फोन दा पंडित जी।
So this was the night tour of the vibe on 22nd January, which is the inauguration day of Ram Temple in Ayodhya. So, Jai Shri Ram, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes. Funny होते हैं एकदम.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes,